screwed that up. Well, what's different now is screwed up, right? That's what I do. Hi, everybody. Why don't I ever start with just hi, everybody? Why do I always go into negative crap like that? Just because I always screw up in the beginning part. That's why. Long black veil. I've always known it as Johnny Cash. I don't know if it's older than Johnny Cash, but that's the version I know. So we did a little claw hammer style, finger pick style to start it, and then I switched to the pick, where I screwed up, of course. So, there's some melody we're doing in this. That's why I'm not doing it just as a play along, just to get that little bit that we're doing, just enough that you could use it as a solo if you needed to. You could use it as your picking break, whatever. You can use it as your intro, but that's the only reason we're doing any talking on this video. So let's get into it. Again, I'm not going crazy. I'm not going to show you finger picking. I'm not showing you claw hammer. We've been through that enough. Just a quick. Like I said, pinch down, pinch down. That's all I do. Well, it's not all I do, because you have to make it work to the timing, but it's just a practice thing. But just start there. And then if your melody's on the middle string, you pinch there. Alright. So, 10 years ago, we're just doing 3 open. 10 years ago. On a cold, dark night. We're just a walk up and a walk down. And then someone was killed, we go to the A. Or it's just an add-on. And then an open into the G. That's that hard thing I like that people complain about. So we're doing a low G. On the middle string, we're just doing a hammer on. Just do it twice. That's pretty much it. That's basically it for what I'm doing for the melody. I messed up. See, everybody messes up. See, the first time there I did it through, I did a little bit more fancy. The second time I did through, I did exactly like I told you. So you do that 3. 1, 2, 3. You do the walk up. That's it. So that's your verses. With a pick, it's... Now, just a quick note. So, that 10 years ago on a cold, dark night, there is an argument you can make that you could go up to... You could go up to the G there. But listening to the song, because going through this, listen to the song, the melody goes up. That's why we do that walk up. But when you hear it, it's the chords behind it stay in the D. Well, probably E, because Johnny's always in E. So I don't think it changes, but you can make the argument that it does. Okay, so the chorus. So she walks these hills in a long black veil. So you do G, D, G, D, and then you hold the D for a moment. Then you do G, D, G, D again. Hold that D for the moment. and then GDGAD. This will all be tabbed out. You guys know that. See, I'm doing that hammer on that low G. Ah. You don't have to. That's just habit now, geez. That's it. That's all we're doing. Not going crazy on this. Just a quick note. I've got a bunch of stuff coming. I think I already said that. I don't know. This is second take because I screwed up first one. So I don't know if I said it in the first video or if I said it in this one. But yeah, I got a bunch of stuff coming today. Not today. Well, yeah, it'll be today. I'm recording today, and then when I post them all, it'll be this. I can still works for today. So today. See, if I did more videos, I'd know how to talk, right? Practice, patience, have fun. We'll see you guys next time.